everyone, this is DULCE, Pinay minus 1. Minus 1 because my son is not going to join me in this video. I'm going to cook pineapple chicken. Ayan. I'm going to use the whole chicken because I don't have another chicken. So anyway, I'm going to cut it in small pieces. So yeah. So let's see if I can be successful in this cooking. Now this is the chicken that I cut in small pieces. I'm going to marinate it now with pepper. Ayan. Salt. And this is spice. This is spice that with onion, garlic, and many things inside. So this gives some taste. And then I'm going to mix it all together. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we are going to soak it in flour. Like this. Going to use the chicken oil, the same oil that I use in chicken. I'm going to put and then the pineapple with the juice on it. Then a little bit of flour dissolved in water. And then now we need to add the chicken. And we need to put again a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper and a little bit of this spice again. A little bit of milk. And then let's put spring onion on the top. So that is my pineapple chicken. That is the end of my video for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.